Is this thing on? Is this thing on? So every now and then I like to do little projects here. A little bit of like maybe what you would call a mental health project. I get burned out. I'm working on Arnie's LTD obviously, and I'm trying to pioneer some cheap 6L ADV control, and I'm running into some roadblocks, so I like to take a mental break every now and then and come up with something dumb. So as you guys might know, I did Holly sent me a Mr. Gasket fuel transfer thing, and it was incredible, I believe, for the money, and it was a pretty neat product. What I'd like to do is see if I can make it better. So I had this spare AEM 340 LPH boy laying around. We're gonna toss it in there, and I got this hose. This is my prototype, by the way. Please don't laugh. Go ahead and laugh. How would I know? So I got a little box laying around. I got my, you know what, I bought a bunch of these, and this time I bought it from a guy, and this is like all, they're all 3D printed obviously, but this one's warped to hell, and I had to hand file it forever, and the battery still gives me trouble getting the battery out. So we'll make sure it's off. Is this off? We're gonna find out in a second once this battery makes contact. That's off. Okay. Whew. So we got a Milwaukee boy, and we got a little switch. I didn't put the cover on yet, just in case. And so we got the hose hooked up, and we got tons of voltage boys going through here. So let's oh man, look at that fuel flow. That's nice. That works great. Let's see if we can get you better. In the meat of the discussion here. Team Cricket cheering me on. Thanks, bud. So, turn the switch on. Almost took a bath on that one, boys. Was watching the camera, not my hands. Well, that's neat. So, see if the wires get hot. It's just sitting in the fuel container. So this is a 340 LPH pump, but at like 13 volts. And right now, it's at probably 20 volts. Here, let's amp clamp it real quick. I put some small speaker wires on it because, you know, it's what I had laying around, and I was figuring since it's not building pressure, it might not be that bad, right? I might be wrong. DC amps. We clamp the power wire, so let's set it to do, well, let's put it on permanent draw first. All right, screen, there we go, you're on. 6 amps, so only 6 amps. 5.9 maximum. Let's do a maximum and see what it draws on the yuts here. Am I gonna get it? Really? Huh, must not be doing it right. Anyway. Yeah, 6 amps. That's not much at all, really, for some wires. I don't really feel them getting warm, even though they're thin as hell. It does work. It's rolling some gas. Look at that stream. That's nice to be able to use. Wonder how fast it'll pump all this out. Wow, it's going fast. It's almost empty. Can't really see from there. Oh yeah, it's like gonna run out soon. Yep, here we go. We're gonna get a little gurgle here. light. Looking in the gas tank. No air yet? There we go. Man, it did really good, especially it's on like a slight angle. But get the, see down in there yonder? I get a good, this is not easy to see down in there with what about this? Now you can. Yeah, see? Yeah, I just shoved it in there. I mean, I'm gonna make this nicer now that it's useful, but pretty pleased with that, just for fun. Nice to take a break and do something dumb and have success in it, so you don't feel so bad when you can't make this do what you want.